Trying to do workouts on 2 yoga mats is a super pain. They slide, they're uneven, it just doesn't work. So I got the 4x6 foot Gorilla mat because I wanted a solid place to work out that wouldn't move on me. It's this massive mat that is designed to turn any room into a home gym. Let's open it up. When you first get it, it comes sealed in plastic and it has this great bag and wraps for you to store it if you don't want it down at all times. The 1/4 inch thick cushioning gives me better protection than I had before. It has these Velcro wraps and it even comes with a free microfiber workout towel. I'll put that to use. So let's roll these yoga mats up and replace it with this Gorilla mat. I have since used it and it is so great. The bottom is non-slip. It just sticks right where I want and now I can really move around on my HIIT workouts. Now my sneakers do squeak on it a little bit because it is brand new, but past that it is fantastic. It protects my joints and gives me a great space to work out.